Russian Bitcoin mining hotspot set for energy boost. Bitcoin mining. Russia. Republic of Buratiya says only 2 industrial crypto miners operate on its territory. Last updated. October 14, 2024, at 06:00 GMT+3. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. October 14, 2024, at 06:00 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Russian Bitcoin mining hotspot of Buratiya will get an energy upgrade, with a revamped thermal power plant set to come online before the end of 2029. Per the state-run news agency TASS, the new power plant will generate not only heat, but also electricity. The move will help Buratiya create a power reserve, and this will help Ulan-Ude, the capital of Buratiya, deal with an increasing load on the power grid, its government said. Buratiya, a reluctant Russian Bitcoin mining hotspot. A sharp rise in crypto mining has been blamed for this load. President Vladimir Putin this year noted that Buratiya and other areas have suffered from a rise in BTC mining. Putin and others have claimed that miners are straining power grids in the area. Buratiya is currently served by the Gazanozerskaya TTP, a Soviet-era construction completed in the late 1970s. The plant suffered damage in June 2022, when a transformer failure and subsequent fire cut power off for several days. The project will let us add 2 more power units at Gazanozerskaya. There will be an additional reserve. Yevgeny Lukovnikov, deputy chairman of the Buratiya local government. The Buratiya local government is so confident of the plant's success that it has claimed it will be able to provide 300 megawatts of power to neighboring Mongolia. The local power provider is reportedly looking to spend over $418 million on the modernization project. The plans to bring the TPP-2 station online date back to late Soviet times. The Soviet project managers began work on it in the 1980s, and even managed to bring a steam boiler online in 1991. However, the project has remained unfinished ever since, although this single boiler still provides 30% of Ulan-Ude's heating capacity. Miners blamed. TASS explained that crypto miners in Irkutsk partly created the energy deficit problem, which has weakened the reliability of power supply in Buratiya. The Russian Ministry of Energy has reported multiple energy deficit problems in the traditional Russian Bitcoin mining hotspot of Irkutsk. The ministry said that, due to the development of mining, power issues were now occurring in the Irkutsk-Chermkovo district of the Irkutsk Oblast. It also noted problems in the southern part of Buratiya and certain areas of the Zabaikalsky Krai. Putin has claimed that mining is fraught with serious consequences for enterprises, housing, and communal services systems. Despite its reputation as a Bitcoin mining hotspot, Yevgeny Lukovnikov, the deputy chairman of the Buratiya local government, hinted that most Bitcoin miners in Buratiya are illegal. He said that there are only 2 enterprises in Buratiya that are engaged in crypto mining. Both of these miners' power consumption is capped, not uncontrolled. Lukovnikov insisted. We have practically eliminated crypto mining in the Buratiya. We are very attentive to this. If crypto mining is going to involve high consumption and affect life in the region, then it should be limited. And in some cases, miners should be cut off from the grid. Lukovnikov. However, despite Lukovnikov's tough talk on Bitcoin mining, Buratiya, like Irkutsk, has a more nuanced approach to miners. Irkutsk's own government has in turn cracked down on miners and tried to woo them to the region. Moscow is set to begin taxing industrial crypto mining. Some thinkers believe that this will help Russia build Bitcoin funds it can use in international trade deals with overseas firms. This has led some regions traditionally unfavored by Bitcoin miners to announce ambitious new plans for state-of-the-art data centers. Russian crypto experts say that over 90% of miners in the nation focus their efforts on Bitcoin. Follow us on Google News.